Here's what would happen if you fell into Saturn. This planet looks soft and beautiful from far away, but up close, it's a freezing, toxic, crushing hell that doesn't even have a solid surface. First, as you pass through the rings in your spaceship, you'd see that they're not solid at all. They're made of ice, rock, and dust spread out in huge thin bands that stretch over 170,000 kilometers across, but they're only 10 to 1,000 meters thick. Your ship would weave between house-sized ice boulders. One hit and you'd be space debris. The Cassini spacecraft orbited Saturn for over a decade. In 2017, it was deliberately crashed into the planet to avoid contaminating its moons, and it was completely vaporized, which should tell you what's coming next. Yeah, when you jump ship and drop into the atmosphere, things would get bad fast. Saturn's outer clouds are mostly hydrogen and helium, traces of methane, ammonia, and water vapor. You can't breathe it, and there's no solid ground to land on. At the top of the clouds, it's around minus 150 degrees Celsius, way colder than Antarctica. As you fall, pressure and temperature skyrocket. Your suit creaked and crumple like being squeezed by an invisible ocean. But even if your tech somehow held together, the environment would still kill you. Deeper down, gas turns into liquid hydrogen and then a layer of metallic hydrogen under millions of times Earth's surface pressure. That layer is what helps create Saturn's powerful magnetic field and extra heat. A human body here would be crushed and cooked long before ever touching the rocky core that scientists think is hiding at the center. In order to even try to reach deeper, you'd need a fictional, almost indestructible probe, something that can survive thousands of degrees, millions of atmospheres of pressure, and swim through oceans of liquid metal-like hydrogen without melting or snapping. But that's way beyond anything we can build today. We still don't know exactly what its core is made of, or why it gives off more than twice the energy it gets from the sun. And falling into Saturn wouldn't give you these answers. It would just turn you into a vapor long before you ever got close. Because